Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you guys can flash Pixel plus UI custom ROM in your Realme X3. So let's begin with the intro. Make sure that your phone's bootloader is unlocked. So first of all, let me show you the version of my device. You guys can see my device is running into RUI 2.0 and 3.07 build. We can't flash Pixel plus UI directly in this version. To flash Pixel plus UI, we have to downgrade our device. For that, you need the A53 version OZIP file. The file download link is in the description. You can easily download it from there. After downloading the A53 OZIP file, paste it into your phone's internal storage. Then simply turn off your phone. Now you have to go to the recovery mode. For do that, press volume down key and power key together until the phone gets vibrate. After that, press the volume down key and go to recovery mode, then press the power button. After that, tap on English, then install from internal storage. If you set any password in your device, then type the password. Then click from phone storage. Then here you can see A53 OZIP file is showing. Click the file and press OK. It will take some time. After flashing the A53 OZIP file, press OK. Then go back. Then click Wipe Data option. Click Wipe Data and clear it. Press OK. After that, click again in Wipe Data. Now click Format and Format now. Press OK. The device will restart automatically. You guys can see we are in A53 version which based on RUI 1.0. You guys can see it is in Android 10. We successfully downgraded the device. Now it's time to use the Pixel plus UI. For that you have to flash the Offox recovery file on your phone using PC or laptop. First you need platform tools in your PC. And second you need Offox recovery file and the vmeta file. Here you can see the vmeta file and the Offox recovery file. Now copy the vmeta file and Offox recovery file to the platform tools folder. Now turn off your phone. Then you had to boot your phone into fast boot mode. For that, press the volume down key and press the power button together. After that, connect your phone with your PC or laptop using a cable. Now open the platform files folder. Now on top, here type CMD and press enter. After that, you have to type some commands. At first, type fastboot devices to check that your PC is connected with your phone or not and press enter. If the random number appears, then your phone is connected with your PC. Then the second command. Type fastboot flash recovery. Then come in the platform folder. Then click the recovery.image file and drag it after the command. Then enter. Okay, it didn't work for a reason. Here, after typing command, you have to give a space using space button on your keyboard. Otherwise, it will not work. Let's do it again. Type fastboot flash recovery. Then space. Then come in the platform folder. Then click the recovery.image file and drag it after the command. Then press enter. You can see it worked successfully. Now type the third command, or you can copy it from the description. Here you can edit the VB-Meta file with your file name, or you can cut the last two words and drag your VB-Meta file after that command. After doing that, press enter. You guys can see it's successful. Now type fastboot reboot recovery. And enter. Now your phone will reboot into Ophox recovery. Now download the Pixel Plus UI in your PC from the description link and copy it and paste it to your phone. Here you guys can see the Pixel Plus UI is showing. Now click on the Pixel Plus UI and swipe it. It will take some time. After finishing that, click on the back button. Then go to wipe. Then click on the format data. Then type yes. After that, reboot system. You guys can see the phone is booting into Pixel Plus OS. Here we are in Pixel Plus UI 3.7 version based on Android 11. So guys, if you like the video, then click like, share with your friends and stay tuned for 90 FPS setting in Pixel Plus OS. And also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.